Watch your all-time high, you're good as it gets. Your hands down best ever make-up sex. Watch your guilty pleasure, your old go-to. Well, if you asked me, mine would be you. Watch your worst hangover, your best night yet. Your 90 proof, your Marlboro Red. The best damn thing you lucked into. Well, that's easy, girl. Mine would be you. Mine would be you. Sun kiss shining, back road flying, singing like.
Thank you for making me more happy and in love than I ever thought possible. Thank you for welcoming me into your life and into your family's life. Thank you for being so understanding with things like me being late and messy, my messy bathroom, my clothes are all over the floor. Thank you for being the perfect fit for my family. It's no secret that Carson, Mitchell, Brant, and Caden mean the world to me. And I love nothing more than watching you interact with them. It makes me really happy. Thank you for agreeing to start taking your lunches to work once in a while. And for giving me your Amazon login so I can see what you buy every day. Thank you for also letting me grab your big muscles when I want to. But in all seriousness, you couldn't be a more perfect fit for me, and I love having you by my side every day. I will always love you, and thank you from the bottom of my heart for asking me to be your wife.
It's a tough act to follow. It took me 32 years, but I finally found the right, perfect person for me. I promise to love and respect you just as you are, and I wouldn't change a thing about you, aside from the Hawkeye thing. As I think about the future ahead, I'm really excited to continue our journey, making memories as we grow older. For richer or poorer, I promise not to spend all our money on Amazon. We complement each other, and I know together we'll accomplish more than I ever could on my own. So while I spend the next years wondering what time zone you observe, I will always look back today and remember why we're here, to continue to love you and be your partner in life.
You got it, baby, mine would be you. Yeah, you got it, baby, mine would be you.